Up for sale today, we got a 1983 Porsche 911 Super Carrera. Uh, Real nice car, finished in white, but not like shiny white, like a nice, like cream almost. It's got a wide body on it, which gives it this just amazing look to it. And from my knowledge of Porsches, which isn't a lot, the wide bodies are some of the more sought after models of these cars. Um, Granted, it's not factory, but you know, the amount of work and money that goes into giving this car that kind of a style. The paint's very nice. There are some stone chips in certain areas. You know, well maintained for the most, I wouldn't say for the most part, very well maintained. 90,000 original miles. Blue interior. An all factory car. All the factory components. Has factory air conditioning, which is rare. Power windows. I'm assuming, since it's an 83, that it would have power steering as well as the power brakes, which I believe the power brake booster is in the trunk, which is also the hood on this car. We have the original manual. Got the carpeted dash to protect the original dash, which is also in very nice condition. 5-speed. It has the back seat, which is very unusual to me because being familiar with Corvettes, I had no idea that there was. I was looking at this the one day and I was like, oh, this is a weird looking thing. And then I saw the clip and I saw that and I was just like, it folds up. No idea. I would have had no idea until I noticed that button. Previous owned in Arizona, California, and North Carolina, where it was originally bought. So, always in snow-free, salt-free climate. I'm assuming there's no snow in North Carolina. Or if there is, not many, but again, why would you drive this in that weather? It's got the fin, if that's what it's called. Again, I'm a Corvette person. Body's really nice. There's no rust on the car. The frame's very original. The undercarriage is very original looking. The doors open and close as they should. The power windows work. We just had a recent service actually at G Design Racing, which is a local Porsche expert mechanic all the way around. From my knowledge, he's relatively well known in the Porsche industry for service and stuff. It has its original 6-cylinder engine. Like I said, 90,000 original miles. Gotta make sure the door closes or else that light stays on. I learned my lesson already. It's just a very nice car. The wide body, again, gives it that aggressive look. I love it. So, it'll be for sale on eBay soon. If you're interested, send us a message. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you.
Good morning, Andrew. Let's go for a ride in a 1983 Porsche 911 SC. All steel, wide body. Car just came from Arizona with a trade-in on a Corvette. It's an original 90,000 mile car. Before Arizona, it was in California and then North Carolina for a long time. It's a rust-free, newer paint. Very nice body. Nice interior. Dash is nice. The gauges are nice. The top of the dash is nice. Shifts well. Excuse me. Shifts well. Drives well. Handles nice. It's a 6-speed transmission.
5-speed.
Oh, I'm sorry. 5-speed transmission. I think I counted an extra one.
You counted the reverse.
6-speed trans, factory air conditioning.
It's 5-speed.
Oh, 5-speed trans, factory air.
Which is pretty rare for the car.
Got a moonroof.
Which is missing.
Missing the cover.
It's missing the cover for the moonroof, if you can see that.
Everything seems to be working. All the gauges, dash stuff, the heat, air. Seats, back seats are nice. I had it on the highway yesterday. Got a good clip. Performed well. And just a nice addition to anybody's collection or entry level.
You just want to enjoy a Porsche.
Thanks for watching and looking at all our cars. We'll talk to you soon.